just made up some space. Okay, so this is 45 degrees over here. So now I'm going to put the T on the other dot. So put the T on the other dot. Go ahead and do that. The T on the other dot. So on this dot. The T on this dot. So we're going to move it over to this side. Now is your line lined up to the 0 over here. So now we're using the other side. 0 on this side. All right. Am I going to use the outside numbers or the inside numbers? Now it's the outside. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Where's 45? That little longer line up here. So 45 is here. 45 is up there. I feel like all they do is scream. Like that little girl. I think it's a little girl. All she does is. I am. Okay. So 45 is up here, right? Put a little mark. So I have the little mark up there for 45. Again, I did this. 0, 45 with my protractor. Put a little mark on 45. Lift it. Now, do I need to... I put the mark on my ruler, the dot on my ruler, right? It's a straight. Do I need to make a super long line? I don't. I do not. I just need to figure out where they cross. So here is the top of my triangle up here. That's the top of my triangle. I'm going to make these lines darker because now this is part of my triangle. The other lines are just construction lines. They're like light. There we go. All right, we're cool? Now, let's measure it. What do these measure? No, the sides. Is it 3? It's less than 3, right? I would say 2 point what? 5, 6. I would say 2.7. Because each little line's a 1. And then what would this line be? 2.7? I agree. I think they're the same. Because when you name them, are they the same or are they not the same? Because we have to name them. So what do you call a triangle that has 2 equal sides? Isosceles. Let me spell that correctly. Okay. Isosceles. Now, 45, 45, right? 45 degrees, 45 degrees. What does this one measure? Let's measure it. What does this angle measure? Let me make this line a little bit longer. Here, I made my line longer. What does it measure exactly? Yep. I'm looking for this angle right here. And when I put the protractor, it equals 90. So isosceles what? Isosceles right. Or right isosceles. You can mix. The words can go like this. You can.
It don't matter which one you say.
Yeah, isosceles right doesn't really bring a smile to my face.
Oh my god. What are you doing?
I don't know what the password you're not supposed to have on a district computer.
That's not computer, miss. Oh, interesting.
Huh? It's a school district.
It's not a computer though.
You know what I meant. isosceles, it's not obtuse.
So how?
Why?
There's a oh.
Where is it obtuse?
Oh, I got it. Yep. I did it.
Cool.
Can I go home now?
Wait, hold on. What's 45 plus 45?
90.
90. What do triangles equal to?
180.
180. So 180 minus 90 left you with 90. So you can also do math to figure this out. All right. Next, number 5. Número 5. Number 5. Scan. You have to say for nutrition. For break. Okay. Right here. Oh, Jesus. Never mind. A triangle with a base of 4 centimeters and base angles of 60. So again, you're going to literally do the same thing you did for number 4, but instead of doing 45, you're doing 60 and 60. Ready, set, go. Get a head start.
Wait.
What's the base? And go. Can you name them? Your test on Thursday, Friday is naming them. What do we call the triangle? The triangle. You see, you're missing the whole point. The whole point of drawing these is to name them. We have to name them. So I want those two angles to be 60. Want those two angles to be 60 degrees. Go. So start with a line that's 4, and then an angle that's 60, and another angle that's 60. Let's connect, so extend those lines. Make the lines longer so you see where they cross. We'll start with what you know. Come on, Carmen. 4 centimeter line. Okay, now you need the protractor. Yeah, let's borrow Jesus for a minute. So glad your team told you. Alright, now switch over to that one. The T on the dot. Line it up, beautiful. Alright, now find 60 on the inside. For the mark. Beautiful. Connect the mark to the dot.
Well, like,
Beautiful. Now do the same thing on the other side. Now with the 60 on the outside. Alright. Yes. Ooh, I want a triangle, not a trapezoid. Alright. So, dot, triangle, line it up. Here's my 60, right? Now, there's my mark. Do I have to stop at the mark? No, because you don't know where the other one's coming from. So I like to make the first one always super long, because you never know where this line's going to meet it. So you make it super long. You can always go back and erase. Over here. Now I'm going to use the outside numbers for 60. There it is. Dot, mark, connect. Do I have to go all the way? No, I can just stop where this line is.